And you should know, say, in the world, we are seeing only party or what to say. We can't keep quiet. Nyame amoesa, see you the kaya nuntumo we are seeing. Nyame boy speakers. Eti esemo accepting them who say there are people who will talk no matter what. There are people who will talk no matter what. Sane boy. President of Tesoe Nana Akufo-Addo. Sano no so tie. Time na Rollins time no. Anyo nebe kumpreko no. Na oye president. Obi change to mu. No, munya de moye no. Ono nebe ka say all die be die. Nobody did anything to him. Nobody did anything. Eti me sremo MPP for the moye no. Moye ayama. Just say party na aye hi. No kwana make a tremo no. Moye ama mu party na aye hi. Because all the time just siachiwe. We be beka say siachiwe. Why? I don't think there's some chichi patumza. Why? No, that's not nice. Eti yanka ya kasa buanshe yim. Sadi pa fili so beka bibi on timinka. Allegedly ya tese ya bulldog. Adaya. Wakoka se munti asema okai. And even say Achina, Bulldog was still denying. He was still denying, say, asema okai no. That is not what he meant. That is not what he meant. But he was arrested, yes, Achino. See Achi Bulldog there. Not just saying Keye. Eti yentimi miye ano. Reverend Usumempa, that time na Muhammad tesu no mbiye no kasa. Ana Reverend Usumempa onu onyenipa. That time no Muhammad why na chini tu. Why na Muhammad me chini tu. Munya de moye no enye mu be sa na party no omo do party no kura bebrebe jai. Because it's not nice as a bully be koso, which is not nice. Etini panti me expressing na yikaka. Nipa ntimi muntie kasa o kasa e muntie ebetie it's not nice men fa ho ni de oba adai
No, you say I'm telling you relax. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
Bulldog is even saying to Efia, don't put words in my mouth. Because, I mean, they are okay. Muntie kasa okay. Yenti.
Nangana Robert Johnny on 4 years. I'm telling you. You know,
so because Obi Johnny. Oh, 4 years, sir. So, Yakasa, come on. Come Johnny. Johnny, so Wakaso Kumipana. It's a Casa Ghana for your taka. Share me don't need me own. Come on, Johnny. A Casa Keke is just a talking. A Casa Keke. Obia Kebi, woo Kebi, me Kebi, Obia Casa Nibi. Share. Obi kwa timi catch Gano Kamechino Kubi Jane. Nice over one good no. It's nothing. This is not a threat way and a threat or born threatening Obia. Abbas Yusuf, we are kwasia wati. We are buofun wati. Jimmy for kwasia mwana mo Jimmy. Muna Jimmy. Muna debia di Jimmy swamo. Kwasia Jimmy for boy like you. Franco, stupid boy. I'll block crossing. Jimmy for. And the other one I wait my politicians. Who was a penny way. And then the party member say Korea ballot boss. Foolish boy. Near me, Baba Kansan, Baba Casa, who Jimmy for way. Oh, Baba catch him say, shut up. Who the fuck are you? Jimmy for like you. Kwasia. And yet you are tiny anymore. Who had more permanent MPP for the way? Wasia ye wi ani atomo to ama Jimmy for like that na me nyansa ni mama me ma be kanya sa to tiri mu a wo ba be gira Jimmy for etina chasamu de Jimmy nko na moye foolish boy like you. Who the fuck are you? Na asema okai amanfo ka bebre ya nyina ka bi ha ga no me chi no be twane. It's just that obia ka bi. Net yasemo waka yase FVI for inviting for what? They inviting so Omedin. And Okan no Krano. Even when he said it, no, he was still defending what he said. Munti asem no munti.
finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that you see UTV. Just shut up. That's
if you are why one no se quartier. Jimmy Kwana wo de wo Jimmy wanu kakraka wo na wa boase se won se wo Jimmy nti unhu ba bia wonyina wa ba be kansensemu wo NDC ana Jimmy ana wo ba se wo kɔ MPP wo kɔ wa kɔ kansensemu ye nyina obi ehu se wo frustrate enye we na obeya na na do be ma minister enye we na obeya na na do be ma hwe wo tuo no why wanu se kwatie wanu se ne ntwa chacha ana Jimmy nko a na ka budo saga na oti na kese uso no papa ne nso ade nso bi do nyame na me expect so be sa na kese no twitwa na no kakraka no no bona no so no na no so se boso a kwasia jimifuo we asem o kan ya asem ya and you are threatening the president or threatening one no kakraka no one no kan kakraka no foolish woman
of your business. No, you say I'm telling you.
Bulldog, shut up. Next, I'll in Sweden Yame. Uchi so no papa and so near and crowd yet near Baba Belu. What about dead? See before Jawini Eki Kwasiasem. Next, also no to so stupid girl. What would Jimmy inti? Would Jimmy inti? What's all the cancer? And people who more captain. Nanado se say in the final 4 years na okono owie we Nanado Nanado pa mo obi aka proper be pa mo obi a because in the final year na okono wanya atena so awie mo obi po watena so and he doesn't need to please anybody and he one system we now okwan so no nyam na achievement of person odi 8 years wodi etu o ma okapre sika no onfa ma barabara fo omo okwan so SSSK. Stupid girl.
My mouth. You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years.
You just said it. Hey, you just said it. That the president cannot finish his 4 years. Asema okai. Edie okai. Edie pan okai. Ya ina kebi. Obi akasa asemi bi. Atwe ko be jane. She Obama Chino obi jane na just so obi jane ayi ensem keka yetimi ka se chige na wona mo ne jane obi aso mo oge bia ma ne nyane wona na ohwe woni din kasa polo kwa e no kan ye enti sa FBI mo ke se na ga kuroma eti ukọ report kura se obi so oba be ku nobody will do anything because the thing say kasa di obi atimi ka not to say this and again crap Budo esa can be said waka so the two of the president and say kasa kwa muntie
so what I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president.
What did you kind? Did I say I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president? He even said it in his own word. Did I say I was going to kill the president or shoot the president? Kasa obi akabi na mun kwase fo bi ma ba jenja so na eti no asema okan ye kwati ntu asema Budo okan asema na okan ya esi ekoti no esi abia for invite no this is not nice mom yan kan okre enchira mo what you say let's face reality as a Ghana say no obi etimi mie na no NDC for sa fe de musu nyansa NDC mpin for musu nyansa sabuba power musu learn sense obi etimi kasa enti na bika chose mahama no mamu mani mabiom mu mani tina bench mahama mamu mani mabiom mu mani tina bench because mahama ye priest or ye sofo onko dis nyame friend no onko dis sofo onko ti asori no onko onye nyame adwuma because mahama time obi etimi be kika nkwase asem obi akabi obia ni pa fibia ni pa fubia ekabi ana mahama no onye ni pa na ana mahama no enye moja na nenam but ono de obia tibi kan kwase asem ya no wafa ne hodi obia tibi be tnao no obia na no fu na no kankan no akabi bia na okọ so what you say me NDC fo kamo betie me a mumma ye friend semra Haruna Idrisu mumfa ono no mra because also a stubborn guy And that's what you also need. Now, Fed will be a camp because yes, I'm not in the TV. Because, hey, you're not now fire. Yeah, Tati, we are Kumasi. Me fu ma she Kumasi. Me zongo ni die. But me asante phone Tati me e Kumasi. Eti me I know all these games now amount for play no. Asante phone na le kan won se de yaw. Anya wo ya ye nyaw fire. Ya de yaw na anya wo ya ye nyaw fire. Muso mo ba, munya bi. Muso omutisia muncha. Sani ya no. Omudisia muncha bi. Obi di president atama mum ya cheno na mum punish no ade na say this for why am who lose bi sa asa we jimi bi and what is all this ade mum ya sofofo politics enye nyame adwuma o ma men kan kire mo say munim say politics enye nyame adwuma politics enko heaven politics enye enko heaven tricks obi ya yusu na adwene mo da mbetrawa mo pese mo yam ho professional bibia bibifibia na egu muso mumma mo ninya den mo ba power because power ndie muso mbeba power mo ba na obi ya mo ntini tum ade process na mo ya mo ba mo ye no ade no mo mama mani mbabio mo ye what the president ni bi trabench na dia aka ne ma nkrofo mo ni so ohye emra be rule bi rolling saudi ndc ba say no tie Rollins and this in 9 diano. Say no obetra wo ye. Rollins ta mo no one wo be bia or wo kika kwase asem. Ah? Rollins time wo no one wo be bia wo na wo kika kwase asem didi atam masa du muso munya bi. Mama mani mabio. Eye onko di sofo ana mo mani nya NDC for mo sofo. Mama Mahama nya NDC for sofo. Wonya pastor no mo mpai mamo. On chem kwa be fa so aya komkire momma nya fasting emamo na momfa Haruna Idrisu ni tuom ni da gombani me be president obetima ba me ka bo hu ade am de me do nyame president inde cha se mintimi ni bi na ka me di bia ka mbe hu se tani pa ni we ni friend tani we mo de se mama onye tani mama oye cha se minim se ni tani no di free hiu sa oye hi fa tani I don't know. Now to be trust no be able to attend me no ko. Obi able to attend me no ko. Won. Ade ye chichimu gumu no. Ya be chimu sa. O be kasa kra na ya kan ya ukasa bo ahye oyem. Bulldog asem okai. Asem be pa ne okai ya si I invite no. Ya invite for what? Osu be mpa card ye chese. Osu be mpa o ke card ye chese. E de na dia no. Oni nam gwa na ho.
The things you are saying, I'll be called as a witness.
No, nobody will call you as a witness.
I am good dog. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Moving on.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
Okay, share me. You know what? Share with me your thoughts.
You know what?
I need that smell. I need that smell. Do we have it?
Say, can say me my smile, Lisa.
Thank you very much on Men's Gold. The moment can we are on my do be a sick man.
Oh, stand there ever. Nagana.
I'm telling you, you're not going to finish in 4 years. Listen, my point is that we'll see UTV.
Oh, chatting president.
Just shut up. That's none of your business.
Oh, you say I'm telling you relax. Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said it.
Don't put words in my mouth.
You just said the president cannot finish his 4 years.
So what? I'm going to shoot the president or kill the president.
He even said it again. Did I say I was going to shoot the president or kill the president? He said it. Waka. Make I say me president. Asem keka. Kwasi akeka. Ye kan kwasi akeka no kan bi. Ye nyina timi kan kwasi akeka ni bi. Ka me kire onyansa so twi ni kutrem. We all ye nyina timi ka bi. Ye nyina ka bi. Wanka so be president. Did I obusa ofia say, did I say I was going to shoot or kill the president? No. He was just saying kwasi akeka. Kobi dwane so ndokwa obi ka so obi be dwane a obi ka so obi be dwane a ya chintum obi ka so ka o nwe 4 years ka obi dwane so Obi Johnny so enya jogging oko. So Obi Johnny oko trotting and that's oko road any friend old Johnny. But ade dia no kan. Waka so be kunu. One kasa obi so kasa kan. Did I say I was going to kill the president or shoot the president? That's not what he said. It was just a statement. Which na say your friend saying Kennedy Japan one mekabi. Honorable Kennedy Japan one mekabi. I didn't know bekai was you or no. Yanko Mahama near City Dina. Okay, what we got in. Adam Mahama will die. Me and them a catch me come on, do NDC. And then declare me who was an NDC. Because more MPP for we a bully. More bully amount for. More bully amount for. We a bully. Papa. More percent papa kasa. Ade. There was democratic world. And then me NDC ni mi do nyame. Because there was time. Ade I don't know. Obi kasa no for chino. Obi kasa no yes e bia. Ade. Ghana mu nko amodia. Ghana nya ba akofo dia o. Enyo nipa ba ko nya bia na no. Se on kasa o Ghana o. We can all say what we want to say. They never to makasa. Said you mu moja no. Sa ni o moja. Ade na mo hani pasa. Me and never declare me NDC. Me support NDC. Ade ansem funu no. The bia na mo de mo titi mo yati we, ade yati we, ade we, ade. Mo kwa na we mema o Ghana wana. Muka say people for mo kwa na we mema o Ghana. No, munya sadia me Kamal Mohammed mo NDC. From Eneko mo NDC. Ade bia mo ba bia me so ba beka. Yet me do Ghana mo pa mo shoot me nkum me. I don't give a fuck me fa ho. Mo e ma dey. Ade no no. Me mo NDC. Mo NDC me wo NDC. Me kwa NDC card. Me share NDC t-shirt. Me so me campaign ama NDC. Ade na mo bully am for tabia na mo bully am for ade. Ade no no. Obi ntimi nka na asem. Ade ye nka ya no ntum. Ya mo ye sa. Ya mo ye se ye nkika ya no ntum sa. Me ya mo be sa. Wo ya bo sa se ye di honho a. Ye di honho. Ba me abiti we. Nyame anya me sa. Me hu ade a meka. Regardless of the old journey, there be your men found. Ade. Asamo kan ye no kai ko be dwane. O su man pade no wanka. O su man pa nsembe no wanka. What be kan kasa Mahama ne kunwe and a moja and the president and the free nsem. Why the chini tu? Why the kochino? Kennedy Japan ba ya na say ya o make statement o kase. Te yako Mahama NDC for ne swami e ko sisi. Evidence man o de beto abontin. Evidence ben o de beto abontin. Wa kase yakoshi Mahama kombe ba yakoshi Mahama efie ene Mahama na nkasa. Muka se mun kwa na we nipa na. Do you think someone kwa na we nipa make come up NDC? Me my buy NDC mo NDC because who say NDC for no. Mu hia amanfo mo so ni ahyi. Na mo so timi kasa bi. Ade na mo tira mo ya bulibuli mo sa. As a team ayebo. Na ya sesa weak people akwa kugua. Ere tem bia na threat na kika nsem na ya di nsem hyehyem na muti wona mu teki. No! Ghana ina edia. Mumfa hyebutirim Ghana ina edia. Obia ni wo che obi o Ghana ho. No tribe in Ghana. Our che obia o Ghana. We are all Ghanaians. We all have equal rights and justice in the country. And that's what MP just said this for Marco Parliament. Mamu mo obia mbulimo. Mumye bia no. Mum kasabi. Are what is all this? Oh yeah, kwachiwe. Yeah, kwachiwe. Where kwachiwe are? Say ka obejane. Oka so obejane a 76 years obede odane. 76 years. Na do 76. Obede okobirika. Obede odane. Aye space akeka. Mo de tese mo ni ma grodi. Mo akodi ya de mo tira kunya. Mo di president na wiye so a. Still, mu bully yes ah. We go kaya yati we go kaya FBI for ade. What is all this? Munya de moye no, munyai. Sa na mo for police soldier for e go wura parliament. Mo hu bi da, e wiase mo hu sem soldier for ko gu parliament da. Soldier for ko gu parliament. Munim sa soldier for no ko gu parliament no. I say you too. I said, oh, hold on, no one say, come back to my capture a chrono. No one is a soldier for only 2 parliament. Come back to my capture chrono there and then. It was a mistake. Why do you have to do that? I don't know Ghana you sir. I don't know who Ghana sir. Tell me Ghana you na Ghana. Are they? And then you who president. And then you be who president. Rollins to now we soldier by no. Time na democracy by now accept democracy no. Man who said he was here. He came down, he settled because the democracy. Ya one penny that Ajikunku for by. See how he moved the country. At the end of the country no. I'm for the dinner them. What you say, ya say for ya kwachiwe and what is the other. Ya wanna tame so by. The same way. Mahama so by the same. Mama, tamo ye na free akonya so oti akonya so. Obi twa rekodi etwade me do nyame. We all saw it. Okonu ni krom, obi twa rekoto. Soldier for obi twa me arrest ni pakrom. But he didn't. Tamo na winning election no. Opie ba bonten. Ni soldier for wura krom. Soldier for started so omo ye normal. Omo ye dede ni adiade. Omo threaten amanfo. What did he do? He came out and addressed. So omo nya de omo ye no. Straight away. Ba Mahama wo ye sofo. A sofo die school na say oko. Wo you a priest. Wo ye pastor. Until from now no, memma biom eye wo de tenechire. Na ma Haruna Idris mo mra. Omo na say omo be the president because omo so stubborn. Wo eye Mahama ko sofo die school. Madame flow on flow krana. Manem flow by force. Na ko di sofo. Next 4 years, mama funny man. Yeah. Because or too giant to me. Mahama tell you me who be da. Ya can say 10 years Krama ni swadi na nya bolga dum. Mahama de say Krama ni swadi okra be wura ni fia. O ma Krama na adidi. I will win money na no because as on listen. Tell you me ni one just say I don't know me ni be ofri. Me who be da me who be da. Tell you so set coat. Woko school ayi UN kra UN says UN kwa no school a 10 in wood mu ma ho muntaka akwa na okowia paper ma ho blow this share 10 no no on say woko school but ntafo sem no ebi woni mu akwa no wi box mu ho blow di twitwa no o twitwa ne blow sana ntafo tie Mahama de mi nim 10 kra oye o ye 10 be ade bia otete wona ye obi aye concert sa tani be ni mu bi da Mahama tani de nya makono kra nya me fe bako kra why ho gentle de bia obegina wa kese wona wo ye cratch ni oba you know we respect the bia the democracy who asem we respect the democracy and the democracy any ebuli nkrofon democracy obi akukasa ne abeka mu wo bet Mahama ma bium eye wane ma bium eye wodi kakra eye nyame aye nyame ehirawo what from what the assemblyman what the MP what the hwan bi bia wo biasim bia wodi Ghana president bia ni wo wonya de wo waye no line up na wo hihye no waye ni nyina bi eye tena ho na de aka no eye bi waye bi obi ni wo waye saade no record obi ni wo bi from Kwame Nkrumah to Nanado obi ni wo waye bi what the assemblyman wo ba na odi hwan chese from school na what the sa eye say Mahama de obetima ya ma Ghana ina ne say ti koti wa sorry go and open a church na amanfo mra na fa wonsa to omo so obi ni yiri beja na wa cancel omo obi e konfo na wa frɛ no otunfo no ojai wodwuma no de nyame se be ye no president no nyame obese odi bi keke na usumba wodwuma pa eye sofodie because oba ye no nyame no nukuri ni edwuma de because wo anhwe edwuma waye edwuma pa de waye bi won say because of was asofofo akoma no eno nti na wotimi ye edwuma no because obi aba obi utimi say odisika no more than job no ba wo waye edwuma ye hwe airport ni normal infrastructures ni adiade wo ba obedi president twem crofo wa bless you nipa bebre 2 you no mo so ensa akoma no ye be ma be bi wa meni na wo de ye say esi yi nipa foforo no oba no so de nani so wo hye kakra because wo ni so nya hye kwa ni ubiga oni so nya hye eye nti bema be kwatra se Haruna Idrisu onu na me feel say emfa ne mra me feel say emfa ne Nyankopon se Haruna Idrisu mra mudi sia ne sa ne eye me kama enne ya no me from my ba NDC enne me NDC ni mi do nyame because who say mo no ase one ntimi nkasa. It's like NDC for mu nia no e kasa. Why? Aden bibia NDC mama betra so yes a confirm what on confirm the Ghana sika ton confirm and confirm yes what to discuss billions na radio fo and am say Ghana radio station presenters omu nim say Ghana fo nya yenkrasefo obehu obi a wo bo degree pa wo bo ni coat no aba be gina no waka ai Mahama and confirm no could be or toy and I would do Nico Bokina no obi educated pa na okasa nsem wi and this moment man defend this asem just simple thing obi ntimi defend ya the asem tag papa ya oyesofo nyame adwuma na hwe na odi akoso Mahama ko nyame adwuma. How can nipa be kwa to confirm and confirm no confirm a omunye nipa omunim nyansa they don't communicate na confirm abom say see na ye to akobokina but yet me cut the to Ghana for nyina and this mu may bully mu too much it me kaye and the to Ghana for team say NDC for Mahama akoton confirm mu nyina abomatu akogu bokina etimu no na ya tag no yes confirm obetuma hia ma bi obasem no okabi ai Mahama confirm oto yes mu nyina akogu bokina. Look at all this thing, look at this politics. And this muhia nkofo mutimi kasa den muba power next 4 years mubaba na muba power next 4 years mumbie musumbie said you omudi ye munya omubi munya say na democracy because Ghana no we are not there yet. The democracy ni unruo professionalism bi ni and the NDC radio station say na mo radio station wo Ghana nyina no munni bi and bibia na yakagu muso mo ba mo mamoni na ho na mo communication muso mo bie na de esem tum no MPP for de esem tum tutum sa na ye no no mercy for cripple the NDC radio MPP bia mo hu se radio bi o hamoda na muso mo penyansa kwa mo close no sa na ye no sa munya ne sa radio bia mo ba mo ntemu mo obi o ha mo bia mo ba 4 years a mo pa asem bi na mo so mo fan katakata mo na mo fo mu no so na mo close radio no mo close be 10 na wo se obi akasa ba mo ntie mo fo mo fi obi a Ghana for kasa kwa na mo so mo mie bia mo de sa de ye no tem bia na mo so mo hwaye den na mo hwaye na mo so mo komonim but mo jaya de bia ni bedi mo de bia mo jaya de bia di bedi mo de bia buga ye be bogum so ba mo nyesa mo mie biebi radio station TV na omode na mo close mo nkaso omontua omo tax na mo close we ne tax mo tia ye hwe na mo close sa mo close omode ni na omo ba no so close mo de mo buga sabu ina mo buga na abetwu se fom obi abeti ase obi anya obi abone biu ba sa wo tena ho na wo kase de bia emfanya wo because of say wo na wo pass ndua masa asumdwe ni ba bia unye bi ne nye bi kira mi do nyame musu mo mo ni na ho na musu mo nye play wicked kakra obi ba na okasa media iso no ankasa yi a na musu mo ya hwe ni achi no yesi president Haruna Idrisu amu ya chi obi Haruna na musu mo di hu ahye wo so enya sa mo be bre ni do nya mo di agokra power mo ma bi but se si ami ma be hye mo jesi bi no me be hye they say the mayor credit of Ghana bre ma hye na me hye mo jesi a tempia me de mo nyansa wo me nkan na adam nya me bom nyansa ni o ma me adwene mo calculation ene Nyankopon na go di nsem gumi mu se me nka enti me kana mo fa be bom one time munye because the ekosun bufu ehi tanyankasa se bulldog asem o kan wo ka de ka president ko be dwane obedwane akoyin obedwane okwan akokora o dwane akwa 76 years o dwane okwan kasa it's just a talking kasa kwa na yesi BN9 achem watchen so ayere wabokro no nko o tira TV sookratu o tira TV sookratu Kennedy Japan obeki kansam no yachi ntu anya no ne nam ho no na de Kennedy Japan o ni pache budo gana ana no ho fache budo Kennedy Japan ho fache budo gana o ni pache budo ebusia mawie wa pese o frema o sa manfo bi frefre wo betima fre na wo so do wadwen kiraba na ma hiti fo pa ma hiti
I'll be called as a witness.
Nobody will call you as a witness.
And Bulldog. Thank you very much. Let's move on. Moving on.
What are you talking? What are you talking about?
Okay, share me. You know what? Share with me your thoughts, Ayakaso.
You know what?
How do we have it? Said.
Wa salaam wa rahmatullah begida
yeah come here and then one kasa no mo me yan kasa no makacho se me what bukati and the fact me wo agochia pa dia me what udin and e ba ko pankin check mama you watch no no am e bedu a ande o mama oboshi kaka me ka ku fodo ka and e 7 December no 7 January ko ma finance so mama is so soft in such a way that atamna no wa no konko di sofo no nja ade no bia na ni
onko di sofo
Dama wallahi no seminia ni me
who be that
you loose
very loose
you loose on a can you do event we should have to wait keka fu no man no pa
me se mama mfane mabiom mi tonya me adetia ai me adetia me maba ndisi mahama me ba be campaign atia se mahama ma ne mabiom eye on mabiom are
mama bosse kakra na konkofu nkandechi 7 January nko ma focus your period so
the men did not attempt men did not attempt the tia bia o president
my casa atama bulldog kind dem boni na waka o atama first bulldog kind they are some boni you can read the point to TV so aka say obeshi mahama regulatory I said think to show my life he is working there free today. He is working there free today. Mama, Uncle Cody, LTP, Uncle LTP, come on, Mammy.
Uncle this awful, simple as ABC. Teddy Benny, Uncle, we attend Benny. I don't want 10 Benno. Mama, 10 cried in Yakono, or man tough for some cry at time, Crado. No man down on 044747381831. Patron frame says, also frame me. Mama, dear. Me babe campaign at Yamama, money mapium. He shouldn't come again. A year on trust or dibi. A year on obi sumra.
Hello. Yeah,
Mela,
good evening, champion.
Mela, good evening.
Yeah, champion. Yeah, me sure up. Only I am the piano. On we
Oh.
Because I am for now the piano if you want. Namian could come on Yami shop. Only come on, dear. MPP for air and one. Or more, yes, I'm
Mela Dinaso, Mela Dinaso. Ah. Mela connect you. Meba to be after WhatsApp call only. WhatsApp calls only. Hello? Mela.
Yeah, me
Africa Casa Mela.
Me chete. Or more, yes, I'm a Kofobi. I organize it. Youth phobia, no much me the pressure, baby. See, Liberia is here. See, Uganda, money at the baby, I didn't talk about this here. So, what me Ubicas abortion, not what me Casadia. Then, the more gas pay, or mining, no anything.
Anything.
Bra, when you can't crunch out, or more, some Kofobi, I got our moon. Yes, who for Tobia, who for Obiti Toba, who be able to say them. They can't afford no more best, I'm a watch at BSU.
Mom frame WhatsApp calls only. Please call me on WhatsApp. Mobile no kati normal call.
What you say? Mami Jano be na chef.
Mela me da say. Me ba mom frame WhatsApp calls only. Asi asema kwa. Hello?
Hello?
Me bacho, hello, meet you.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Me chano a chief.
Yeah, Joe Gausu.
Come on, topic ipa, some of the candy, say. Waka somewhere, Ghana journalist for Munia Kukudru, and I said, you musu, some of the can. Since our Western and now Kufuado, I bet now to Ghana, my opinion. The Kayama Kaya Mamuno, or my Kenya, I said, can be meeting Kenya Mamuni and Ghana. Ghana, Madano. Ghana, journalist
the entire about the son say, Mahama, Okamu, he's part of all these things that is happening because he's not even protecting the party or more support, which is very wrong.
No, come on. What me now? Me see Mama no. What is? Oh no, I take a bit. I mean, come here, Mamuna say.
Gausu.
Before the year na end because I don't say.
Gausu. So what you say? Now on call for mudi what you bully Mona. You are not doing anything now. What you say for what? Now say you are not helping. You are not helping your own people. So what you say?
Come on, the whole kind of material about the na before the NPP for you know. Yet the Ghanaians are very disturbed. They are Ghana poverty as here. And Abaya ye 2 years. The BC Ghana because Muda say, who is president now? What but second term? Also, what we know about the parliament. Ghana for move the Ecoso. Now say Ghana now Kufa is a lawyer. Now lawyer who is president. Not journalist. It to me ever the president ever be nations address not be Kenny. I did China Kofi Adoma. You invited some police say then over can the president about the can. What to be that? And then it's your man back. One law for NDPP, another law for the rest of Ghana. Obi also a MPP nimpuna so the Ghana da wakoma so a and they did bulldog na wosiri to the good and what tonight the baby do. I send men a bulldog can UTV and yet threat to the nation, I threat to the president. Mama, on Kaya threat to the former president of the Republic of Ghana. I don't know Kufa no or Mama. Etima, we catch Ghana for say. The Kamale Kano, here near that's a wood of Ghana da Wakoma so the things are now Kufa to Bettina Kunyaso. So if it's all your people in power, Ghana is going backwards. First, Ghana said it get to Africa. No. Ghana is going backwards. And look, dear Kasa Ghana Usuru. If it's a journalist, a busa politician, someone now Ghana would here. Journalists don't dream without no correct Usuru. Because can you say, you have 2 radio stations, you'll be invited to be an analogy. And that's why the journalists say because everybody is afraid for their life. And you know, what's up by NDC? I was not mind answering in the end with the Kamal. You know, Masopa.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, come on.
Yes.
My about program is up.
Also, Casa.
Me also. Yeah. Come on. When you be me friend with that. Wallahi, yeah. Ni yari am Accra. Me friend with the marshal sa, yeah. Me the Wendy, yeah. Na time. I've been following. Also called Ghana, no. Yeah. I've got a lot of people that I knew. I mean, no kasa. Na Accra, that you need na MPP na tanechi. Do you know that MPP? And a Tanechi, also Vampa is involved. That's why this woman can stand. Now also and yet. What I say? Now also no time. We have to do something about this. And your crowd will lie. And the cozy will like it's so disgusting. To say me born for me huna. To say me test I was like what? She see I feel crown on the bulldog to one. I didn't know come from mama.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Mahama na mukano.
Can you imagine?
Why sofu? Onko di sofu. Onko di sofu.
Just Akufo-Addo, I say, Ghana, no, I say you Akufo-Addo, what lie? Come on. Baby, I never connect with line agama.
Mahama na mama mfani mabiom.
Mama so air too soft.
Mama mfani mabiom. Mama mfani mabiom. On to me ni president biom.
What am I talking about? Me both I'm so like me both I'm fuming. And I said no. There be a phone on the bulldog now. I don't know how far.
Na kese bulldog. Na fia so say no. Kame na me bulldog am do kese me sia.
Yes, man, Kasauka we are telling you support it. No, it's about Ghana. And then you cry. What you say? And I will like come over in Bankai. You know, later. Bye.
How do you mean? Obi ko ka asem yesi ache no. We ko ka yesi ache no. Ade. We die no waka. Ade no waka. Boni be pa na budo go kan ye. Oka so obedwane a, obedwane, yanka bi yina ekika bi. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir. Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, but December program is
I told you so that casa.
Yeah. Once I walk cancel but some of my characters say, I'm out to me the same program now. I'm on 4 you know. Right. Jimmy in the cancer part. Jokota UTV kind right so cancer.
We are kwasia pawati. We are poor from kwasi ni bema. Jimmy for one no foolish boy. Jimmy for kwasi ni boy. Abua kwasi ni. Ya kasa okasa fucking boy. Matunto swogu ni tu abua from kwasia foolish you. Also. Hello. Asia matunto swogu wanum abua from Asia, say na mahama esa wo ye bi no. When ani se wo ye zangoni. Na wo betratra asia na obi ebulibuli mo. Na mo tete o jimifo we. Hwe na no nsuosu o de ba be gina mfo so aboa kuraso ni. Matonto so ogu onu mene aboa funu idiot. Hello. Sure. Media me zongoni o me physical zongoni. Me zongoni pa. Asiafo jimini. Masaka sani enko. Udi matama na ma diubi na okọ. Foolish you. Masa meet you.
Yeah. I'm done.
Hello?
Yeah, come on.
Meet you, Kasa.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Meet you, Kasa.
Yeah, and I'm saying, of course, we're Ghana, papa. Because looking at Obia Kasape, journalists are being intimidated. Everyone is being intimidated. Who Kasape is here in the phone. One day, when the masses decide to stand up, there is nothing to stop the power of the masses. The power of
the villager kama. Me papa, me na nakura wonu kumase. Kobu sa na nase wonu he. Una na sese ofri fanchene beto cho. Una na ene o maame. O ye kwasefo. Me papa kura wonu kumase. Me na na adi abarkisi wonu kumase. Asia boy. Krasini. O maame busase wonu he. O beti kura ofri krasi be bi na waba. O maame foolish boy. Asia mo ka se mo nko na manu oya. Ya ina anu oya o. Mo nkwase asem na mudi ni obi abetima dibi. Ya nyina ye sebebie sa asante na wo ka me asante ko amete che wo ye tani ba me titwi ni che wo. Foolish you. Idiot. Ya ko enim. Hello.
Wonderful. Shimi. Tani aboa.
O se tani aboa. O dwane. Uni fem, uni kapa. Me mama okwan bekasa o dwane. Kwasia. Na ka me hu trabo a. Me hu trabo ka me di utrab, me che utrab, me che na utrab na se. Ka me che obebi utrab. Ka oba no obkasa me ya asantini. No wodi di tani aboa na ma kire wase. No hu wase. Baby ya ma me no papa fi. Wo ya ibani so anu waka. Wo ya frafredi anu waka. Na ma kire wasia jimifo. Yanko. Foolish you. Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
Yanko.
Yeah, come on.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Canada, me Kasa, Bana Gabi.
Kasa.
Yeah, into the make say the power belongs to the people, it belongs to the masses. And see, one day when the people decide to resist this kind of oppression, then I don't think that peace will prevail. Into one say Obia Kasape, yeah, for assembly, I can get your phone Kawaganada. Assembly no Kawaganada. Iti them person can say shen your modi because the PIA for parliament Anthony Koto Abayo, your own Tisagane, will be cost na Chibalot Bosta, Omumboni to no straightforward. But look, and then Parliament, the only Yembra, Onumomia, sign on my ACC. Obi or a whole member of Parliament snatching ballot papers. So what shows there maybe that's what brought him to Parliament. What there is a probability there in next like it can go and contact people to go and engage in this kind of activities, which is eventually destroy the peace. And look at military invading Parliament and all these kind of things. So it's tantamount to coup d'etat. It's very simple. The president has been overturned. It said emphasis in Juba. Then but look at how it was handled.
Call away there. What you say? Honestly, you're soft. Abrantia Oba, Sauba, catch up, Oba, Casamia Santini, now we're 10 year boy, not 10 year macachero. Not it and some of the free man we are catchero. What it? Oba and Waka, me a queer pimney, 10 year boy, now assuming reply on the hardy. Massa, Sa and Tafona from one wuko, or more da wuko, Nan Tafu nipo. Sadia from one. Omo wu ko data omo wu ye kwache omo wu ge ni panetia no asia sese ko hene nim ne hene wo hene se kambu wo hene atali wo sese wo hene se selection abo ti sese uti se uti akon se jimifo ntafo mwa no omo ti omo hu di se omo ya mwa no omo na be so nkwasi asam so na ye ntafo na ye nipa no. We have our own mind. We think because we are not fools. 10 now, almost one ya can't say because you're Jenny, we think someone who we are check. Because only answer by ya no dear, ye nipa. Mese menana jabarkisi owu Kumase menana Kumase na odi ye Kumase menana ko ho ne wo se wo amekra wo krasi bi an ofiri krasi bai unni se kwa unni ebusu afie Kumase mi tani ni mi obusu afie Kumase me se obi wo bukrom tamale me sa tani we no mi obusu afie Kumase mi sa obi e wo tamale e wo mi krom se kwa wo ka sa obusu afie kwa uni bi abua wo de dan kwan ho baabi mo ba wanu kasa tantan primitive ni twase no ma ahye mo ma mo kasa ase mo di bini mo kasa ase bini ne hye mo num asia ntafo no hu mo santafo na wo kan hwe mahama wo hu no ho fe hwe mahama ko fa ne picture na hwe na fa o papa picture compare na hwe o papa na hwe no se o papa na no achi ase cha o cha ko hwe sa teni no na hwe ne nim na fa o papa wo de force wa fa o papa picture na hwe no na hwe mahama na nim sa teni no na who difference was here crossing boy foolish boy massa ya dia no bia no ya o me me aswase this year me aswase won me MP on the two blow friends parliament me MP no aswase de bia me free ye MP two blow because ye ntafo ya wo ye waswase ya tete ye waswase enti ye nyen crossifo ye ni da ho ye ni manhia ni abua una na wo ma me ofiri hen kumasi ane hen yen me fie e wo kumasi mfinfin udu ondara na obo sa aburo sansuo me fie no asia ofiri krasi baby mo sori am kika nkwasi asem ade e di hwemu na kwasi ni like you foolish boy ma tunto so ogu onu mele abuofun tell ma tunto so ogu onu hello. Yes, sir.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Jimmy, me penny pure. Jimmy from the Jawa.
Who are they?
We Jimmy for.
Who are they pure?
Jimmy.
Ye tani e tiem na me free. Ye tani awo bi ba.
Untiminka kura, untiminka. Unsa okasa kura. Unsa okasa kura sesem woni. Unsa okasa enkura sesem okasem. Sibifo, mese matu tosuo guonu mene. Puofunu. Ntosuo guonu mene. Foolish idiot. Waso eteni. Abuo be na teni aye. Sa also wo 20 semia. Maybe the camera is seeing for picture bra na wonim. Say wonim achiachia, wonim achiachia say hippopotamus. Sa wo 20 semia. Maybe the camera na see me. Abuo opa for the video ko no obi ahwe. For video bra. Ni ahwe wano ne wo se. Say wo see na apo. Kwasini like you. Foolish you. Who of him? No, what the picture about? Hello, boss, Yankasa. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Nation, Ali Karama, Uncle Kaji.
Labi, I've been another.
But Mamma Kachino be auntie.
Kachi.
Yamima, a bufuna woman, a woman, so that they be a bufusa. Now, MPP for almost say, Young Tapono. Young Taponi and Young Quasia. Don't undergo the Kai Kabani no my guy, they call it Kalitunge, Eke Batumbanzana.
On the Nimra.
My wife, Pacho.
Mate.
Mr. Menomani, Opia will have a number of Famano. I'm in London and I'm going to Ghana on the 26th of January. Now, welcome to the number two, so don't Allah. The number two, internet also announce a pattern name.
But the boss, Yamisha,
now we will take it personal. Okay, we will take it personal. So much personal.
Now good, Migira. Allah Saka. Now good. Abua, Uba for Nimbra. Asia teni, Abua. Ubet my teni. Okasa crutches on your teni. Because Okasa no, we Okasa cry yede. Osi na pro. Mi who nimba mitimusa osi pro. Foolish you. Hello. Hello. Hello? Hello? Yeah.
Hello, salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam, bro.
Inshallah. When you met Pacho Bipri, Sa Jimini na or Tata Siciano, Channel Life Mano, na your program away.
Mate boss,
because we are singing our show. Mate was Yapa in Energy.
Mate,
I'm one like that. And one of kind of say, Ukanima, we know Kassan, Wasaki Kana, and Chukra, because we didn't cheer. Ye can tear through honor. Yenya, Channel Life Mano. I
fed a master man, Upo, may you be stop me. Oh, won't come and stop me. Make a man away. I see. Your mamma, your wife, Organo, Pio said, your mamma, you're singing any your mamma. I could find one point by some Yakufa Organa or Serga Democrats. Ye come on, Jassy. Dear Pufano, one any Organa. Ah, Medasi. Indeed, Bra, you were doing we and you yes for Martin, you may German. Programs about me who life and I'm saying, no, it's time to press. You are papa, uniting young Yamisha, Empire when I was here and I'm not junior and bringing it with you with my way. Medasi. One you need a chipra, you will Chianica will be behind you, but Chianica. I mean, that's a buy, I bye. Hello. Hello? 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 Hello?
Nation.
Yes, sir.
Allah kiyaye ka nation.
Tare da kai mai gidana.
Wallahi ne shi ka kullun da ya saukan da maganar shi ma na sai kaga yanda ka suma program na shi wanda ya zo na kaga ya zo a distracting ka ya bari kai fushi ka gane na so da ka kyale shi ya flow ya so kowa ya ga hutan da yake yi ka gane why if you are not good with the program why should you even watch it you can
but here hit. Kagani, how much me hit? Program, why should you even watch at the first place? And if the person is doing the program, listen to what he's saying. At the end of Kamal Kasala, Kochia, Nai Magaran, Kamal, Wallahi, Yakama Kai journalist Agagana, Wallahi, Billahi Likari.
Namisha.
Barbatu was Kamal. Now Barbatu was But we come on catch a Kazo NDC, don't move NDC. Nina San Kamal, Nina San MPP. Yeah. To be frank with you.
Yeah. Me MPP. I was MPP. But I was MPP. But no matter every time.
What you deal with. Can't understand what I'm going now.
Yeah.
Tuka, Ghana first. We don't have to think about any political party. I've been like in the second Uber. Is it fair or not? But I've been the machine of coke back as some to me. No. Kamal, wallahi, I've been a good fear Ghana now. Journalists in Ghana, you have had journalists in Ghana.
Of course,
number one.
Of course.
95% of journalists in Ghana, all of them are corrupt and hypocrites. Current journalism in Ghana, Susan's word when I be for Ghana, wallahi, Kamal. Because journalists, you have to go and report the truth and tell the people. And you are quiet. So who should do that? It's like insecurity. Journalists, I don't know what is going on in Ghana. Kuma, go be your program. Look at what is. Kamali, Yakamada, Kabarishi, Magana. You so go away to 10 AK.
Naji, next time.
Naji, distract. Kaga, so get the program. Funde is going Magana Kaifusina. You have shift from the program. Very nice program. Everybody is doing it, is watching.
No
very educative.
No problem, bro.
Me Bulldog is ready. A Bulldog, I don't know kind
of course.
I
don't know kind.
For BN.
What did he say?
That's what we have to face. Let's face the fact. If Bulldog is on contempt, all of us will say it.
Of course.
Bulldog. He's a Ghanaian as all of us.
Nobody cares about Bulldog. But we have to face reality. As some kind of okay, so Obi Jania, the president will obey Jani. Until the end. Bulldog no obet baby Nana Akufo-Addo Bulldog obet maduro. Who is Bulldog?
Never.
Who is Bulldog? I obet maduro baby Nana Akufo-Addo. Nice, I invite him.
Then I won't come from Mama. The mama was told your name about that. But what haven't you say about him and his party?
Hello. Hey, Hello? Hey, call us no door soon. Hey. Call us no door so chale me ponkra. Hello. Call us no door. It's here for me Stremo. I'm really sorry. Say akwana ba Jimmy Fono. Me pay attention to him. Yeah, like me Crawford Kano. I sent Kamijano, no be who ignorant, but and I'm woeful because me who said you chrono corner. Yana a tear china, you are dear Yansano. You who said no, the econo, a best say chrono. So what I say, a best say chrono because Bulldog, as some okay, and Yasim Bia, and Yasim Bia, one tabby Bia. And even when Efia was pushing him, he was still saying, did I say I was going to kill the president or do anything? He was still defending that. I never said that. It was just a statement that he made. So if Bulldog say ampa say a Bulldog FBF for Kochina, because me no say Bulldog a kasa tia na Akufo-Addo make ama me ba condemn Bulldog me do nyame. I'll condemn him. But on kasa tia no eye program no mo ye. And in program no you probably make some loose talk back me you be. Cause I say president now go and do this, I'll go and do this to him and no dear. Jankran ye baba betina bontianka say Bulldog should be arrested. But he never mentioned anything like that. You can't send me and Kesi a chini to me Kennedy Japan. Honorable Kennedy, onu ne can't someone Kesi a chini to because onu was say Obekwa ko Shimahama no was Shimahama no kraka ho. Mahama onye ni pamboa. Moya sana na mo ma ye fili say Ghana no ye nipa bi che nipa bi and me kama me ma betina abrochi no Britain ni oye broni a omo se of the whole world me hu so wo chen me enti se ekwese nyimu bi ba baabi na ye bi ye style bi a me enti ase enti na me se Mahama oye teni ba Mahama onko bench because Mahama onmo NDC party waya ade in terms of eduma pade wa be eduma but onmo ontimi protective ninkofo which a leader untimi nyesa enti Mahama onko echi no nya they say party no papa bi eni ho ono nko father because odi president da enti onko supervise wo mu na onpian kwala no na omuntimi nya eduma no eno na me fi say ebebo party no but Mahama untimi protect wo mu why din de bia honhon sa Mahama odi agwa babo akokora wu ntem. Sometimes you have to also voice things out because una obetima shankrofo din una obetima motivate wo mu una obet amanfo show people are looking up to you. All NDC people are looking after you. And it's a who let you down. On May week. On your week so it will affect your party. And Mahama, why are they? I mean show. Next 4 years, crackers on the Oba. And with your help and support, Keviani Pacono, which might be winning more better than the president of Ghana. Madam Wasi. Okay. Adia Ramatu. Course no Dawson. Hello, meet you. Oh, Charlie. Hello?
Hello, Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's the
same. Amigo, so Shami.
Oh, wait a minute, so for me.
Boss. Boss. Hello? 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 Hey, Charlie. Course, no. We. Charlie, mon friend WhatsApp course. Yes, I'm kati. I'm for be ban makati. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Black Ahmed.
Yes, I meet you.
But you can free belly.
Meet you. Charlie, mudi normal corner by kati course, Papa. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, meet you.
Now, yeah, then I get it. Ghana nye de kwa kwa tete. Autocracy amemune ekosuno. Ezi akanke.
Hello?
Maimu manije. The book has Maputo se kumuni Idi amemu na be dia de mo motimi na amafo tena kuruma ni yi. Na so ye president Idi I think who can be or can be can be back some kind of book or kind near down on the life or TV. Okay, no class at all was coming with strategy and withdraw at no kind.
I don't make no boss. I don't make no.
Ade, a president Mama to my own and then me can do. I'm a die fan me a party executive. But president Mama, why won't watch it do? Being seen out to me who Tama, Yangano, and the Yapon only one must take over. Now, Mr. Parliament, our boys, you got this play. That's a president Mama, you can't want. Also, I'm a MPP can't take over our parliament. But when you know, sure, don't say why. Dear no, Yanitano, is it a very normal? I'm a help you who out and let him out. I put it.
Thank you. I don't make a boss. I don't know Munye. I don't know Munye, Madame Wasi. Tell him more. Hey, Raddy. Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, hello, Kamal. Jami Show, Mekasefi, France.
Meet you, pa.
Why you come up? Now, Yameka say, this is just the beginning. We are all going to fight. Sisi ano Ghana Libya because Sanko Semna Koso Ghana Sisano, where Midobibia, a majority of Asantes and this Achim people. Omuno causes our problem here, but we are going to face them. Yabacho say, Omufi, in Tafono. We are the Yama, a majority of Asantefona Achim for Yana Yamo Nipa. We are going to face them squarely. We are Madame. No, sir, we wouldn't say we are people, we are Sanchez or France. We shall not continue. We are going to begin from now. Such tribalism, you're not going to. You won't also present Mama, only because you who said, Omo bully, no call for too much. She said, I Lucas, I could find on Libby morning or you go down. I could follow or maybe there, the toilet, and you go down. But what can be said? No, I'll call you problem. And then, I will not tell you about this. We are not going to leave anybody or be allowed or not for a water cafe, fetching me. Silent. And I'm a stop forward. I'm
yes, you're on the way. Also, be a show, also be a show. Boss, also be a show, France, not all over only the bay.
But when we are to be beginning black metal,
we are quite anymore.
Races against you. And we say, hey, your questions are Brunia, all your races against blacker. Into me, my ready. I am ever ready. To force anybody, any fucking woman being also a tribalism. I'm ready to do that.
And one, me that's it.
I'm ready to do that.
I would say, no, so you
Yo.
Sure. So be on in baby, on in baby. Hello. 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 Hello.
Hey, come on.
Yes, sir.
On a serious note, this said our cousin John Mama says, but this crop of NDC, we have different NDC. The boys are on track. Into John Mama, there. Oh, okay. Come on, I'm sure they be. Only data makers are saying because this crop of NDC members, executive parliamentarians now, they are very focused and they are very determined. Because social parliament at DSC parliament say I see they went for a meeting. Even in the meeting now, I'm taking the issue. Majority leader, any Chigwe Muntaka, Jemesano. Muntaka have to come back and talk to the MPs that this is what we are going to do. Do you support? Opposition media, you will see there. And he went back. I said, I'm to my son, I'll go back. It will end this is saying, who your leader? You cannot go and take the issue and come and tell them this is what you are going by. They have to be all the members to agree. They are very focused and determined. And that NSA constituency be will say this is what you are dealing with. If you say getting number agaskiani first come on bagaskia wallahi esa yanzu kama ana yi ne kasa kama kana yi ne justice ake nema.
Yeah.
Tun bai son gaskiya kamata ka fito da shi all out ne.
Exactly. That exactly. Yeah.
Yes. Don gaskiya ke so. I see look at the referee now. Well, bullet don't discriminate. And it's true.
Me da say na good. Hey, call us in door soon. Charlie. Yeah, semi. Zuka osre. Zuka. There be the question there. I mean, we are frustrating, honestly. Hello. Yes, sir.
Hello, no program no so.
Oh, so kasa.
Hello, yeah, come on.
Yeah.
Person can say. Now come me the by I say there cause no. Don't try to put the blame on Mama. What do I say? Mama, I put a woman in a family in that tour. No, behind what I say, and yet also, everyone, you know where to understand what is going on. I'm a one and yes, I know. Come on, let me come and yes, I know it's here. What I said to Mama and Casa, I know chess, I know chess, why I so say,
boss,
what is your what is going on?
Boss,
yeah.
The TN say, Ghana no democracy, yen drew yetu. Yen drew, so person who no crepa, we are not there yet. And to the fan say, young for NDC, Rollins, and Uncle Chinasu, and an Anna Kufu no Mujinasu no more contest here. How is it gonna be?
Huh? I'm the Tremo. Huh? I said, democracy.
Boss, yen drew democracy, yen drew, the fact is yen drew because you do democracy. Obi ntimi nkasa Kennedy Japan say yanko si Mahama fie ni esi Mahama nka ho bibia ni o ide aye no ada na mo pano kurasa Kennedy Japan say yanko si Mahama fie ye hie ye be hie osi edu nkesi ni ahie o mo aka so aka ho no bia na invite o mo bia na budo kai Kennedy Japan was yes, Mahama. Nobody said anything.
Everybody was listening to the both political party. They are only to assemble about Obiati. It acquires a yes, be a mama and your bema, and I said,
Onya bema, Massa, Mummy and Cano Cram, and this I say, Etisa. I don't know.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
I MPP for me MPP ni. Me don't me. But me I didn't try to me team support me.
Mata. It's time I was organ and the the assemble. Yes, so na Nadia Okasaki and Obacho, Nadia, you who big time. Now, some of you can say your mama, they say, that you only take out to Ghana and no country, you say, you're two abano and your Florida on Jackie, on his own Jackie, on the court to have it on your Jackie.
But I say, oh, cannot claim a feeling
on the court walk room.
Oh, can you answer Sempa? Oh, name the Kati, Charlie. Mama, Mum cannot crack. Mamunya some wooden throne. Mama, you're very good as a leader, honestly. But leadership, you want two types. Mama, so when you're strong people, Oma near Jumana Mamma number Tinaswa. Or but Sasso as a leader, he can do obey my Juma. But as a leader, no, people need motivation from you. Honestly. I'm all for your motivation. Ultimately, motivate uncrofo. So what you say? And yes, I may bully almost bulldog again worker. Kennedy Japan can worse than this. And he's working. Nobody said anything. Mama Kahi, Muhammad Obekai. One Kahi. One Kahi. You know, these are some of the things I mean who are there no crane anymore. I am me ya, me do yame. Me penocro, me no crane me pen. Me penocre. Penocre. Sanocre any baby. Ayani. Eti Kennedy, you bet marker. Me boy on the come on, Charlie. Hello. Salam alaikum Adia.
Salam Pastor, come out program ni.
Never try no Adia.
Hello.
Hello Adia.
Come out program ni.
Never try kasa.
Yo, asema mpesa meka ne say, guy na wo be gina ofre wo ka kire wo say, entafo mo na ka kire ne say emo no no mo na nanu be wo ye na ye wo mpapa no mo no.
Din ko kasa.
Emo na wo ka no. Emo na wo ka sentafo ye mo no. Ye mo no mo maame no mo ne omo na nanu be da ye no mo nya nipa mo ko tena o makonya so no. Omo no. Enkwasi asem kura no mudi no. So when is Ankrofo way at na be who say these people are tribal bigots. They are really tribal bigots. Omu yenyi mu sem hunu ayakoso Ghana ya MPP obi nka bi. Na ye dia onu oye nipa but mahama ya oni de wonye nipa. Hwe enkwasi asem Kennedy report be keka no ni radio so. Why na ye ni bibi? Senka NDC for yesu sorry ne yakohune na Kennedy Japan sene yakwasia ya ekuro dane na ho tofi ekuro dane na ho ya odidi mahama tam odidi chief imam atam ayekohune na wo so abo chief imam di biu NDC for yeto ye den wo beka se nipa nim ehu atete ne nyina aka ho na jeje di wuye no jeje handi over ma ye friend sen Atamils time Nkrofo be friend say omuye attempt assassination or jeje so Atamils by there no be so be miana no te say de won fi hwe ni nyina aka ho ehu ya nyina aka ho na Akufo jeje ni Akufo ado koye fan Nkrofo efa kana na ase akuna say papa nhye fridge mu a wo muni o hye fridge mu no wo muni na ne yire eda empa so katira brantie na wo se ye ntafo ye nkwasiafo ne say ni nananom ye nananom kwasiafo no so ye nkwasiafo ne no mo bedaye sa mebu a wogobu so tumfo anka ye nkwasiafo ne ye nananom ne mo bedaye omu no bedaye ba o ma ntua hwe o mu daye free o mu di o mu free ne o mu koye kwasiafo Kofo di o mechukwa wa obenye yi nyame mba ya botre Kamal nyame nhira wate wo mo ho ba.
Amen. Hello. Hello, Kamal. Yes, sir.
Good. I will say good morning, sir. Good night because we say one wa.
Yes, sir.
May say, may come wasre. Who's away there? A hot cake pow. Line almost 40 minutes and I'm not getting you, see.
Wow.
Trese kama nipa wo platform no so. Ntiem say kakra mesre ne say they will be by of guy no. Mesre ya botre. Is a work is teacher. Work is teacher. Who lead the education no. So ntiem say so be banner say oh yeah the yenya botre na. But the me say analyze situation because all program the entire me follow where you say who you be on say the what drama CP any okwan a offer so analyzing situation anything I mean no me pay way until they saw the be to mo bia ne muso bi bane so ye na what put you in the track so be off track I will nya botra now the question be kura na what to the amano na yeah discussion why kakra me pese ye no na say the hot tapping so over there no na the ntia ama wakoma ne ye ni say I say officials ne gane kan ye no I say wo ma follow up e bi ache na no na na say ama wo no aye and senka ne ono fia no na kede na no tum na e bi ankoma be fa no ko enka wakoma no ye isa
the who's a bulldog no or say did I say I didn't say I was going to shoot or kill the president. Oh, no, defend. He was trying to say, it doesn't mean it in a bad way. See, in our communication yet, he was trying to say, meaning in a bad way. Say, about crowd me gave because again, and the one man journey. But say, not in a bad way. And the Bulldog was was able to justify. Say, I'm not saying it in a bad way, but it's just a saying.
You're saying. Yeah, and I even Kurano. Into a crime in a say. So the 7 men go down there, almost some demonstration, and maybe it be only put two more on crack. I saw or your contributor beneficially. And you be a series of demonstration be against the for the be or big channel. And the DNA come on, we are not inviting a hand. Thanks for
your advice anyway. Me that's any or futu so the mama nyame shira.
Yeah, at least.
Thank you. Yeah. Hey, hello. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You guys will free Ghana now, Obano, and you took an alpha by.
What's it?
So to go now for buy. Utu kwa kwa sababu ni kwa na social media na Jimmy ni Jai Jimmy no come on.
Ose me tu kwa Ghana Togo na mfabaye.
Uko Ghana no. When you afa Togo na bae. Utu fa Ghana airport na bae.
Uwa we nyansani no. Me wo Ghana me nyabutu uwa we nyansani no. Ose me tu kwa Ghana no. Me wo Ghana kuro no na me fie free border eko Togo. Onza woni me nyansa. Because when you answer, I said,
form
they say, form not me from. Let's a Ghana border yet.
Ghana airport to her.
It's only me answer.
John Mamma, you bet channel. It's only me answer. You bet channel. Only for John Mamma, and Catherine, Yazungaza, also your bear mind, Yankasa.
Only me answer. Because only me answer. Only me answer. Go frame, who see me for Togo. And to some more Ghana, Ghana, Pemiachimia. Not Ghana, or what man, baby, or more time, some airport, no better. You don't have a
Can Japan no? Can Japan build with much can Japan? Or be no bit much no.
Nyansa na uni. Because nyansa.
What will they
Mesa ko Ghana na say Mesa ko Ghana me fa airport. Mesa ko Ghana na say ya.
O kwa fa date beto ye be chewo.
Mesa ko Ghana na say ya me kodruwa. Mo nchimi o. Omo chimi ya na omo nkume. Omo nkume. Ghana omiduwa no mo komituo pe. No mo kume. Because I won't answer. Obi a woni nyansa. Wo se me call Ghana me fa Togo. Look at this idiot.
Me go to chicken Japan Ghana. Me ka kire mo. Me say me NDC ni. Ba se de NDC for ni bi chimi me so mo so.
Okay, why are there? Why almost me nya o mo ni wa chimi.
NDC for ni bi si chimi so mo so.
Nyansa fo be tumi so. Almost me Nyansa fo be
John Mama ni ye be chi no.
Ye be chi John Mama. Monyere mo ho.
Chimi no. Uko Ghana na fa conference wani manko takasa Ghana ho. Ga be to dwe.
Mate, why
for almost na mo for kasa sa he. Program no. Almost na we na dey channel blocking no.
Almost me blocking. Okay, why are they? They say nyansa fo na be tumi fo say who say no because who ba e ho. Unimi nyansa nti. Wo se me call Ghana. Ya pemi achi mo Ghana ho. Ana me ba no man fa Ghana wo na mko fa Togo. Na Ghana se mo Ghana na e pemi achi me a. Se we dey Ghana na me wo. Just enti ampa se mo ka se mo onimi nyansa because onimi nyansa ka se me call Ghana fa Togo na mbae. Na Togo na nya border Ghana ni Togo ni border ni o. Na border na wo Ghana ni Togo the police for no mu ni o. You don't have sense. Enti ampa why are they? Nyame nhyiamu. Say mama hu say oye concert nigga. Hello. 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 Yes, sir. Hello.
Come on.
Yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Why now, Kasano? And the son is so. No, Jimmy.
Mate. Let me show. Hello. Oh. Hello, Ajami Juso. Obi Ajo Aja.
We are now by and we winning
call us. Hello? Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho meet you.
Mr. Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Kamal, let's say.
Yami Adumboko.
Mr. Cho, can't you get the guy number for me?
Guy the number, Mate. Me nyamam. Why?
Guy na offer what do at him no. Ya the number mama directly with the farmer.
Oh yeah, who for? Onu kwa ba was the number no.
So your bema. Me my friend launch him the day on the wall. Me I'll trace him. So your bema. You just take the number for me.
Mate, me dase.
Can I tell me numbers? Tell me numbers.
Okay, thank you. Obia wo ka say. Onu aba be kasa no. Ehufuo. O se ye bechi mahama o. Onu so bechi mahama. Na onu obechi mahama no ka chem say the number we obe block no. Oya akra. Oya ba. Hello.
Hello, come on.
Yes.
Me pacho pesa me ba line no so.
O line no so. Load your way chino.
Sa iyo me ba. Mami loan. Mami loan.
Okay, kasa it you.
Me say akwa no block no. Jimmy for no a so no wo NDC ni. Wenye NDC ni. Kwasiampani no a block no e ma ne mekasa so biom. Enyansafo na ne wo mo kasa nya Jimmy for. Wuni enyansafo na kasa nya Jimmy for. Akwa no a yese wan bulldog so wan no wo ate no ensam a Canada Japan ka no ebi na akwa no kan ye e de betem didie no wo fa ni jo mahama wan na akwachi wo mo eti na mo se jo mahama wo ye soft no eye no kura pa nka jo mahama ye be ma na nka wo so wo pie ba ne ye nyina ye kwani ye kokum ye nyina wo kokum ye wo mo kufa do wo kuyen Akufo do again. Akufo we are dear. I didn't know we are born some say. Akufo do ya born.
Ya kati aja dia very aja. Ade. Aja ya utre. Aja. Ya president no. Mamu ni president na tem. Your president, no one did that term. Your condemn anti. Hello.
Hello, come on, let you say.
Yami Adumboko.
I say. Azingili na kasano.
Azingili Ethiopia.
Yeah, can say. But say, guy be ababe kasa bipere. O si ompe se omu. No kasa bipere. Guy no catch on say enye need say kura say ebe nyane nam. Yebe nyane number yebe hunu just a minute yebe hunu.
Okay.
Inti ono ankasa onya awe say yebe hudu at any moment. So they all cano say omobechi ye can say John Muhammad na say no. Of course obechi no. Me yebe ma na chi no ono guy no yebe ma guy no achi no. Because said the open no ono ne hu be yeshi because I don't know be in the program. Opie amount him. Who have a program no so only idea obeka only contribution now obeka. Uba no start yet pakrono. Until the every person in country no. Guy no onya way say you bet you know. That is the must. And then the must say bet you know. Inti Kamal they all know why.
Take care. Hello. Lo echedi ene mami. Hello. Lo echedi ene mami. Oba ese lo echedi ene. Enye sa wontimi. Hello.
Yeah, come on.
Lo echedi ene mami.
Come on.
Yes, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
I'm free Germany, a friend Brakwesi.
Okay, Brakwesi, get you.
Maybe they do a chill, maybe they will feel so I know him. Yeah, from Abasa. Abasani from Abasa.
Yeah, Ache, yeah.
If it is Abasani from yes, now also Sano. Na kama unim. Akwara oba so no. Nobody above to block. Who your program? Na obi ba so no obetimi amasa. No akate no concentrate no ayewa de. Can be kuraka. What you Jimmy for? It no akate no. No are you free? Na kama unim. Yemfa bibia to nche. Asema wo kano. Me kanu fia meeting. I tell my wife say, John Mahama, I'm too much. Me so ya swatting me.
Me aswatting boss.
Yes, me so me tell me opa.
Wow.
Me a pure. We two for offer pa me. Me asantini this year pa.
Thank you.
Oni pa mo ko ala me girlfriend na busa no say abitoto.
Abitoto.
Yes, abitoto na kasaro obi antie me masa. Enye ni asantifo. Ena yeah, tribalism. Let me end this in pure. Let me end people. Me end this in pure. Me not for phone you animal but I don't care. What you say?
I beat you.
The cost come on, time. And I do my armor. Yes, no. Say that why you because I go na. Soon be abamu kakra. But I don't cry into me. What you say? So I don't me put in my name cry na time. It is your mamma, dear, and one of the canoes. I mean, that from the enemy now. But I let you know, would you? And one of the your mamma, omre. You know, say, a Jumana, no, but omre do. So, for saying me, I would come on there. Yeah, what you say? I saw center for any. Come on, come on, almost flower, almost churchy, I can. That's what I'm saying. We I want to free. That's why I say we are no flat out here. We are Kumasi na free. And you can tell me, oh, Kafa. Yeah, I go for the Santini, I go for the chimney. Sana Pasa Katubia, I go for the way chimney, what are Santini. It will be all no flat, no, they are Santifoni na Copa, I go for the. But then I are Santifoni na Kama, and yet to say, Minuna, you Kumasi for. Sana Katubia, Slada. What up to the lad also the woman? Can I buy us once? So I just said, but first, can I know you want to hear? It's our program, you know. And now, what's what I said, you don't, mamma, maybe cry me both with my but she had Juma. Come on, woman in the Omoye. Would you be a man of Comantonium? Me, Saturday Jimmy, some nothing, me, me, both food is a Majasa, Joma, the Casama, a Casatisa, but then yes, Yano. John Dramani, when you not some bruta, come on. Why a clever mind? I only do a watch it. It would ya, Obi Abaswa, the Nemakacho, Obi Abaswa. Now, if so, Jimmy, block on. You ain't as a 4 year wisdom. Why? To me, that's senior man. Who come on the phone, maybe you cross the 4. No, oh, you cross the 4, Papa.
I beat Toto.
And class for British or landing walk at your most habit to the Casana, what's happening? It's what we have class for. You almost say, oh, Kumasi, no way, so money take a crap as you for, or your crap Kumasi, what year, when you was your fear, or the enemy be free. That's what I would do. Look, some of your Kumasi and your Kumasi. What the land they won't class for, and that.
Kumasi yeah, anywhere Kumasi pa or West. Hello. I'm going to be fan for. Hello.
Hey, Kamal.
Yes.
Oh, Charlie, Kamal, my friend was Spain or Spain.
Okay.
Yeah, Chabose Kakrawai. Chabose, because we are more clever, so I say. Sometimes in so be fair, no car to big things. I used to Chabose my. And in the same thing in NHT, Mama so I done, so I say. But sometimes when you say you have a solution, almost say
okay.
We want to spoil the country. We need to do something.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, so that's only I want to say.
Okay. Sure, I mean to the best friend in doing that. Boy, a guy fucking doing that. Abitete. Share all kasab nice papa. Yeah. What's your answer? Central make a chop say stop where me. Omo bua me ma bra bumpa ya santefo. Me dunya me. Me zongo ni. Ba omo bua me pa wo me life ya santefo. So what you say? Eti enye ye wa santefo krasefo. Enye wo mo ni ati. Eti se krase ni be kasa ena ntafo mo asantini ene ni ati. Na asantini kra wo ye die pa ese wo ni tani move. Because ntafo e kwoti e do. Ye kwoti e dankasa. She, we just got tell you what ye tell you what and you say come give me what ye come on what ye me what ye say plain it is a come eti enya santifo nyina na edi na some me body pa me no mo share 24/7 na ye share adwini asantifo o say kum enkrasefo no ye won asa ye won krasefo bi o mo free krase no o mo na o so mo hu hwe da ba santifo kasa o se kuma santifo mo ni atre a mo frifie pam no masa mo ni ntafo na edi mo ni ntafo na edi because ntafo na what are you talking about uko ahimfia kwa ahimfie ko he no fa ala di se kuchu wo nyame mfa alaji moru gorma ne krensigi ahimfie wo nyina wo enti wo se sen eti anye ye won krasefo hwe time kotoko time ye wo Ghana enkrasefo mo film krase ba no omo na uboso so omo ye krasefo so omo atran krase wo sana nti omo nya kwan ba kurum kakra na jimi na emo so atiase na jimi na emo she na wo de ko alaji fo na nya bebre awari asantefo alaji bia ni ati so be wari asantini ba me na me do nyame alaji ni ati bia be wari asantini ba because the combination is so beautiful. It's beautiful. By your own class of phone and mama phone nyina and show one book basket him and then minimum yardini I know quite a minimum yard shabi tutu asantini this year but you just said you see casa Meme ti aswanse enti me nim de meka aswanse asante uba no asante ni o aswanse ka house we mbehye wo ye no mu din komo ye ka house e di to safe ye no mu na bibia enti me no enti na mu se me condemn asante ni bia because I was many o mo an e bibia many o mo an e bibia so by your own classifo and get no two ways. Said you was zongo for some classiful, you was antiphone classiful. Say me to me, American Muslim. Me, American Muslim. Everything goes. You make out, you see. It is sanity. It is me doing me. The whole Ghana. Kumasi jia hoku che baby. The Ghana yina. Kumasi na okufi bi e wofufu. Ya be twe bia mwodi. O say kumya me share santeman. And the men can nadam. Me I will defend Kumasi today, tomorrow, every day. Unso bi aba o de hwe. Abi toto ba o hwe se de usikasa. Guy ba ko no ba o hwe se de usikasa. Asantefo no. O mo nyate. Enti kurase ni bi te se ba ko no ba. O kurase ni. O ti ni kasa kura. O tu se ne siapo, ne simon. Hello? 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 Hello, me too.
Yeah, Mr. Kamal T.
Yes, I was.
Kamal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, from TJ, Mr. Kasafi Charlie.
Yes, sir, TJ.
Kamal, what will be our platform in front of say no, what did you be at? Make sure to be a block on waiting for. What we need to show. Who make you come on at them? Apo what you come on at them? Maybe I come on level no. Who do we have you shake it on Kamal, where this a tell? Where Kumerkani, Kamal, where Kumerka, didn't Kumerka, we are Bama, Pierre Usha America, and also Kumasi, and also Gabinet, maybe all free. You mean Crossing Yakwa. You already come on la block no. What is on say fuck you all NDC. No problem. We are all folk. But you are really fool. You don't know where you're from. Mafia, you telling they do want me. Some baza
Yeah. O Shamela. Mela sa santini. Ma Shamela. Me body. Shit. Now we are santini pa what ohene kra we kese. Now nyantafo ho anaza ohinye no. Na NCP. Because o take course one kasa otumfo. Ko he wo mo twa no ho hia. Zongo. Ana odi twa no ho hia. Zongo na twa otumfo ho hia. Zongo ni twa otumfo ho hia. She ya doni che obia me na me ka cho. Zongo ya do otumfo che obia. O ka otumfo asem no anka ni ya. Ye zongo fo ani aba ba che because na ni ate. Or you die. And now you phone crossing for no more. Debbie. Or you die. Niniati. Now that speech over my wanting. What's it, gang? Connected, you know. You can farm see for more money. Your mother die more. Fine, guys. What's it connected, you know? Video no amudi agome bo achire mo. Or you die. Otum for cano cracking Solomon. Na hingi different. And no commercial palace ko he. O tun ya concrete wo. Glass doors na be bia. Eni ati odi zongo fo ne twa ne ho hia.